Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this XL size crochet sweater. I use this kind of yarn, and you will need a 13 pieces of this 50 grams like this, and you will need a stitch markers, a 5mm crochet hook, darning needle, and a scissor. Now start by doing a chain of 97, then half double crochet third chain from the hook, half double crochet in the following 10 chains, then followed by a double crochet in the following 85 chains. Once done with the 85 double crochet, chain of 2 doesn't count as a stitch, and then double crochet in the back loop only 85 stitches, followed by a half double crochet of 10, and then repeat row 2 to row 17. Once done with row 17, add 32 chains. Then double crochet third chain from the hook, and then going down below a double crochet back loop only for a total of 115 back loop only stitches. Then followed by a half double crochet of 10, then chain 2, repeat for a total of 21 rows. Then repeat the same steps on the other side, a 17 rows. Now let's make the arm panel, chain of 72. Then half double crochet third chain from the hook, a total of half double crochet of 10, followed by a double crochet of 60. Once done with 60 double crochet, chain of 2, then double crochet back loop only in the following 60 stitches, then followed by a half double crochet of 10, then chain of 2. Repeat the same process for a total of 28 rows. Then once done with this, repeat the same steps on the second panel. Now let's connect the two sides of the panel. Make sure that the inside of the clothes is facing in front of us, and the outside is inside of this panel. Insert your hook on the last stitch and in the other side of the panel. Then chain of 2. Slip stitch on the above the line on the top right here, and on the other side. Make a slip stitch. Chain of 2, slip stitch above the line and in the other side of the line, and slip stitch. Chain of 2 and slip stitch above this line. And then when you reach to the side of the neckline, make a slip stitch. Then once you reach at the top of the stitch, make a chain and then cut the yarn. Now this time we will connect the body panel on the arm panel. Count 14 rows and place a stitch marker. Count 14 rows and then place a stitch marker. And then on the body panel, count 28 chains. Then insert your hook on the body panel on this side of this arm panel. Take your yarn and then chain of 2. And then skip the chain on the body panel, skip 1 chain, insert in the next chain, and then slip stitch on the arm panel above the line and slip stitch, chain of 2, skip 1 chain, insert on the line on the body on the arm panel and slip stitch, chain of 2, skip chain, insert in the next and insert in the line of the arm panel. Repeat the same process until to the last stitch. Then once done with the arm and the body panel, on this side, insert your hook in the last stitch right here at the bottom. Insert your yarn, make a chain, and then slip stitch in each of the stitches. And when you reach to the last stitch, make a chain and cut the yarn and hide the ends inside the stitches. And that's all for the tutorial. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you want to make a small, large, and medium size of sweater, click on this video right here, and I'll see you there, and thank you so much for watching.